Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ulta haul. So if you guys want to see what I got from Ulta, then keep watching. If you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you may know that this was a I'm having a bad day purchase. So that's what this was. I also had gift cards, some points to use up, and I had my $3.50 off coupon. So that's why I made this purchase. Let's get into the items, shall we? Because that's why you're all here. First up, we have the Urban Decay Starfire Heavy Metal Glitter Liner Trio. I bought this because it was really cheap. It was $20. It was like $19 and change. So $20. It was like supposed to be $40, but it was on sale at Ulta. If it is still on sale, obviously I'll have everything linked down below, but it should be still on sale. So the first one is Midnight Cowboy. Midnight Cowboy, I feel like, is like the most popular glitter liner from Urban Decay. It's just a gorgeous gold. If you've never seen a swatch, I'm like trying to look at the camera. It's right here. It's just really pretty. Everyone loves it. I've heard nothing but good things. Then we have Volume, which is a really pretty like pinky, but when you look up close, I don't know if you guys can tell, there's like silver and gold and pink and like orange. It's just really pretty, but it's right here is Volume. So excited for Volume. I think that's going to be one of my favorites. And then we have Starfire, which this one is, it looks like fire. There's gold, there's like yellowy, orangey red. It's just really pretty. So that's it right here. So there's Starfire, Volume, and then Midnight Cowboy. Very excited to use all of these. I've been dying to use all of these products, but I wanted to haul them for you guys. I did swatch some, but I had to. I had no choice. The next item might be a little surprising to you guys, and this is the Morphe 9C Jewel Crew palette. So I only say this might be a surprise to some of you because if you've followed my channel for a while, you may know that I have swatched Morphe palettes in the store in Ulta, and they never work out for me. They just fade away. And this is my first Morphe palette ever. So this was like $12 and change. So I thought, why not? I really think the colors are really pretty. I like the purples. This really light purple is just like kind of what sold me. And I like the oranges. I think it's a really pretty palette. So let me swatch a couple of sheets for you guys. I'll swatch Rock Out, Purple Rain, which is the one that, like I said, sold me, and Chocolate Diamond and Rich Girl, which is like another purple. So here are the swatches on my hands. My swatches are never really that great. If you're new to my channel, my fingers are really dry. So first we have right here Rock Out. Then we have Purple Rain, which is a really pretty light purple color. This will be pretty for Easter, actually. Then we have Chocolate Diamond and Rich Girl. Rich Girl, I've swatched it a couple of times, like when I first got it, and I don't know if it's just me, but it's kind of, this one might be a little bit of an issue. So we'll play with it. I will have a tutorial up with it. I'll put the tutorial dates down below because I had got another palette that I'll show you guys next. But I like wrote when I want those tutorials to go up because I pre-film and stuff. So I'm excited to use this. Like I said, it was like $12, so it's not like I spent a whole lot of money on it. But we'll see how it goes. I definitely will probably do like a swatch and review video on it once I play with it some more. The next palette I got, I'm so excited for, and it is the Golden Gatsby palette from LA Splash Cosmetics. I saw this on Trendmood. Trendmood is why I bought this. First of all, the packaging is just stunning. It looks like the DVD, if you have the Great Gatsby DVD with the one with Leonardo DiCaprio. It's gorgeous. Even the sleeve that it came in is gorgeous. The back, it says, darling, it wouldn't be a party without you. The colors are just, I love the colors. A lot of people were saying this is like a Dose of Colors palette, the Desi and Katie palette, the Friendcation one. It's like that. The setup, yes, is very similar, but the colors aren't at all similar at all. But you guys probably figured I bought this for Mint Julep, this green shade right here, which is really pretty. So I'll swatch a few for you now. So I'll swatch Mint Julep. There's one I will do Ritzy. That's one I haven't really done. And we'll do Old Fashioned, and I kind of want to do, I'll do Speakeasy because that's the black, and I want to show you guys this black. This is what it looks like on the finger. This black is pretty good. The pretty good black. Next, I'm going to swatch Old Fashioned. The mattes feel really nice. They are pretty creamy. So the shimmer shades, so this one is Ritzy. The shimmers, I did see that people said that you need to use a wet brush, which I kind of assumed. And then here we have Mint Julep, which is that green. I'll swatch another shimmer for you guys because I did not do a lot of shimmers. I only did one. I'll do Sheba because that one looks really pretty too. Do a little bit Sheba. This is what it looks like on the finger. Yeah, Sheba's really pigmented, but my finger was also like a little wet from the baby wipe. But these colors are just really pretty. I'm so excited to use this as well. This one was a little more expensive. This palette was like $28, but I think it looks worth it. It's definitely cheaper than a Dose of Colors palette, but the packaging alone, like I said, is just so pretty and I love it. Next up, I got two Makeup Revolution lip toppers. So I got these two. They were like $2.99. And you guys want to guess what they look like what they're really similar to? I'll give you a second. Did you guess? Fenty lip glosses. So this is the Fenty lip gloss, which is really, really pretty. I'll swatch it for you. This is what it looks like. I have the Universal Gloss Bomb. Everyone loves it. If you don't have it, go buy it. It's gorgeous. Makeup Revolution is known for their great high or cheap dupes of high-end products. So first we have Exquisite, which is really, really pretty. It's just a nice light pink. It's almost like a champagne-y color, but this is what it looks like. So the only really difference is the Makeup Revolution ones are a little more shimmery, but they're still really, really pretty. So like I said, this one is Exquisite, and it's kind of just like a light baby pink. And then this one is in Fortune, which this one's like a white one, which Fenty did come out with that like white gloss. I don't know the name of it, but this is what this one looks like. So they have one that looks like the Universal Gloss Bomb, and that one has more gold reflex in it. These two are more silver, but they're so pretty. I did try one of them on the lips like for a little while, and they didn't feel sticky. They felt really comfortable. So I'm really excited to try them out and wear them more because it did look really pretty. A lot of people said they look great on top of lipsticks, or they looked amazing by themselves. So definitely stay tuned, and I'll let you guys know in future tutorials or something how I like those. The next product that I got is the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, and I got the shade Illustrate. So I think some people compare this to the P. Louise base. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. I'm pretty sure this is the one. I just don't really think I could buy from P. Louise because it's too expensive and I've heard too many bad things. So I'd rather go to Makeup Revolution where I know I like the products already. But I really, really like this brush. It's like a doe. It's not a doe foot applicator. It is like an actual brush. I haven't like swatched this or anything yet. It looks nice on the hand. This is what it looks like, the color. I like to get light colors just so my eyeshadows pop more. But it looks pretty good. Blends nicely. It feels nice to the touch. So this is what it looks like blended out. So I don't know. I'll let you guys know how I feel about this, and maybe we'll do some cut creases with it. I'm also just running out of primer, so I'll probably just use this for priming because why not? It says it's a full coverage eyeshadow base, so it basically is a primer. Next, I got two Morphe brushes. First is the Morphe M506, and this is just like a really small crease blender brush. I'm really, really excited for this, just to like really, really define the crease more. And then I got the M573, which is just another blending brush. I just need more blending brushes, so this one's a little more fluffy than the M441. So this is what they look like together. It's also a little more pointy, so I'm excited for that. I really do like Morphe brushes, so hopefully their eyeshadow, you know, lives up to the hype because I'm excited to try the eyeshadow. But yeah, I really like their brushes. Their blending brushes are amazing. And the last product that I got is the Bare Minerals Lash Domination Volumizing Mascara. I've had so many samples of this mascara from Sephora that I just finally decided to buy the full size. I really like it. It is one of my favorite mascaras. It really helps volumize your lashes. Let me show you guys the brush. Is this it? This is my one little sample that I have. I got it from my advent calendar, but it is just so good. And this is what the brush looks like. It's really, really good. Like I said, it really helps volumize the lashes. I really, really like it. It doesn't flake, nothing. One of my favorites, and it's like affordable for high end. It's only $20, and I feel like every other high end mascara is $20 and over. I think it's like $19.99 or whatever, so $20, but it's a really good price. And I love the lash domination from Bare Minerals. It's so good, and you should try it out if you have not already. And that is it for this Ulta haul. If you've gone to Ulta recently, let me know in the comments down below what you've bought, because I would love to know. And just for some ideas for the next time I decide to do a big purchase from Ulta. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. If there's any specific colors you want me to use in the Gatsby palette or the Jewel Crew palette, I think that's what it's called, the Morphe palette or the LA Splash palette, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll use those for upcoming tutorials. Or if you have any, if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.